what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to Lesson 6 here on Free Code Camp of JavaScript algorithms and data structure certification basic JavaScript. So we'll be starting off with concatenating strings with a plus equals operator. So we're going to build a string using these lines. So first we're going to grab this sentence. We're going to say equal to this is first sentence. And then what we're going to do is use this plus equals operator, similar to how we did this with addition. We can do this with strings. And we'll say this is the second sentence. And we'll go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 2, now we're going to do the same thing with variables. So I'm going to write my name right here is Theo, and my string is going to be my string with my name. So we're going to say my name is plus my name plus and I am well. And there we go. We're going to run that. Good to go. Number 3, appending variables to strings. So what we're going to do is write an adjective right here. We're say cool. Then we're going to append this. We're going to say some adjective. And let's see. Plus, should we set to at least? Oh, here we go. My string, some adjective. Good to go. Number 4, find the length of string. So strings have length properties to determine how many characters long they are. So to do this, we'll just say .length. We'll go ahead and run that. Good to go. And finally, use bracket notation. So we can use bracket notation on an array to look into basically the contents of a certain specified index. So what we want to do here is define the first character of last name. So again, here's last name, and to get the first character, we're going to use 0, and this should return back L. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. All right, guys, that's it for lesson 6. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of the courses I recommend in the description box, go check them out on React, JavaScript, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.